Hi, welcome back. In the previous lecture, we have seen how to use the Win32 API to write colored text on the console. However, there are some issues with our approach. First of all, our application is dependent on the low-level C APIs that are provided by the operating system. In future, if we want to port our application onto a different platform, then these APIs are not going to work. Instead, we may have to use the APIs provided by that operating system. And to use those APIs, we will have to modify our application. So our application will have to use APIs of different operating systems. And to do that, we may have to use preprocessor directives. These preprocessor directives may get littered throughout our application and will increase its complexity. The code will become hard to maintain and reuse. The other problem with our implementation is that we are using low-level C APIs that have complex parameters. This further increases the complexity of our application. Also, these APIs are not object-oriented. So if we want to reuse the functionality of different APIs as a unit or extend their functionality, it is difficult to do so. So that's why I would like to use the facade design pattern here. It will reduce the dependency of our application on the low-level APIs and also reduce the complexity that is associated with these APIs by providing an object-oriented interface. So let's go ahead and implement the facade design pattern.